The popular TLC reality show 1000 LB Sisters has been riding high on the waves of fan engagement, dramatic twists, and emotional journeys for years, but the latest season took a turn that has many fans scratching their heads and voicing their frustrations online when TLC decided to air what they call a look back episode mid-season devoted largely to recapping previous events instead of pushing forward with new developments. The reaction from viewers was immediate and intense, with social media buzzing about whether this was a clever nostalgic move or an unnecessary filler that disrespected TH's loyal fanbase who tune in each week for fresh updates on Tammy and Amy Slayton's ongoing stories. The Look Back episode was meant to showcase the highs and lows of the Slayton sisters' journeys from the beginning, revisiting their weight loss struggles, health scares, family drama, and personal triumph. But for many fans, the problem wasn't the content itself, it was the timing, coming at a point in the season when multiple cliffhangers had been left unresolved, leaving audiences hungry for answers instead of flashbacks. Viewers had been eagerly waiting to see what would happen next in Tammy's post-Sue Gary life, how Amy was adjusting to single motherhood, and whether certain family tensions were going to explode on screen. Instead, they were met with an hour of recycled footage mixed with a few brief new interview clips. The backlash started almost instantly on platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook fan groups where dedicated watchers didn't hold back. Some accused TLC of padding out the season to save budget. Others speculated that production delays forced the network to insert filler episodes to keep the schedule on track. Either way, the consensus among many was disappointing. And posts like, "We don't need a recap, we lived it," and "Stop wasting our time with flashbacks, give us the real tea," were widely liked and shared. Several fans pointed out that reality TV look-back specials are not uncommon but usually appear at the end of a season as a wrap-up, not in the middle. And the plot is heating up. Longtime viewers who have followed the Slayton sisters from their humble YouTube beginnings through the highs and lows of their TLC fame felt the episode was a momentum killer after weeks of anticipation building around Tammy's health updates and Amy's post-divorce challenge. The sudden detour into past footage left many feeling cheated. Some even threatened to stop watching entirely, arguing that the show was losing its authenticity. In Edge, a Reddit thread discussing the episode quickly grew to hundreds of comments, with users debating whether TLC was out of touch with its audience. Some defended the network, suggesting that new fans who had joined recently might benefit from the context provided by the flashback. Others, however, countered that modern streaming platforms make past episodes easy to find, so there's little need for a full recap in 2025. Many also noted TLC has been known to stretch popular shows with extra specials and bonus content to maximize advertising revenue and international syndication deals, so the Look Back episode could simply be part of a larger business strategy. Regardless of motive, the impact on viewer perception is hard to ignore. Several entertainment blogs picked up the controversy, framing it as a test of fan loyalty. Headlines like, "TLC faces backlash over 1000 LB Sisters filler episode," and "Fans call out network for wasting their time," trend on search engines, further fueling the debate. Tammy Slayton herself didn't publicly comment on the episode choice, but she did share a cryptic TikTok shortly after it aired showing her sipping iced tea with the caption, "Y'all stay pressed," which some interpreted as a subtle response to the drama. Amy, meanwhile, remained quiet, focusing her social media posts on family moments in her kids rather than engaging with the uproar. Industry insiders have suggested that TLC may use the feedback to adjust the pacing of future episodes, especially given how competitive the reality TV landscape has become, with streaming services and other networks vying for the same audiences. If fans feel their time is being wasted, they can easily jump to another show with similar emotional hooks and dramatic arcs. The risk for TLC is not just losing casual viewer but alienating the core fanbase that has sustained 1000 LB Sisters through multiple seasons. As the backlash continued, some fans also pointed out a pattern they claim has been developing over the last couple of seasons, with more and more filler-style content creeping into episodes, stretching out storylines that could be resolved in a few minutes into multi-episode arcs. While this is a common tactic in reality TV to keep viewer hooked week to week, the Look Back episode seemed to cross a line for many, pushing patience to the breaking point. Others speculated that production delays due to health concerns or personal matters involving the cast could have forced TLC's hand if Tammy or Amy were unavailable for filming for a period. The network might have had no choice but to use older footage to fill airtime. Still, fans argued that transparency would have gone a long way if TLC had simply acknowledged the reason for the special episode. It might have softened the blow. Instead, the promotional lead up to the Look Back special take asked it as a can't-miss deep dive into the sisters' journeys, implying new revelations and behind-the-scenes moments which only heightened disappointment when the content turned out to be largely recycled. This kind of mismatch between marketing and delivery can be particularly damaging in an era and audiences can instantly share their opinions online and rally others to their perspective with hashtags like #flashbackflop and #normophilus trending in the wake of the episode. It's clear the fan frustration reached a boiling point, yet not everyone hated the episode. A smaller but vocal segment of viewer appreciated the walk down memory lane, noting that seeing the sisters' early struggles side by side with their current progress offered a powerful reminder of how far they've come. For these fans, the Look Back episode was a chance to reflect on the emotional core of the show beyond the 8-week drama. They argued that criticism overlooked the value of perspective and nostalgia. Still, their voices were often drowned out by the louder wave of complaints which dominated comment sections and fan spaces. As the season moves forward, it will be telling to see whether TLC adjusts its strategy or doubles down on its pacing choices. Ratings data from the episode will likely play a big role in that decision. If viewership numbers drop significantly compared to previous weeks, the network may be forced to reconsider filler content in future seasons. But if ratings held steady despite the backlash, TLC could interpret the controversy as just another form of engagement in the fast-moving world of reality television where attention is currency. The fallout from the Look Back episode also raises bigger questions about how reality TV should balance catering to die-hard fans versus attracting new audiences. For a show like 1000 LB Sisters, which has built a deeply invested community over several years, maintaining that trust is crucial. Whether TLC sees the backlash as a warning or just background noise remains to be seen. One thing is certain: the Slayton sisters' journey continues to be a lightning rod for strong opinions and passionate discussion, and if nothing else, the Flashback flop proved once again that this reality franchise is anything but boring. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.